How to use keyboard shortcuts on Windows. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use keyboard shortcuts on Windows. Keyboard shortcuts can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing quick access to various functions and commands. Basic navigation. Windows key opens the start menu. Alt plus Tab can switch between open windows. Alt plus F4 can close the current window or app. Control plus ESC opens the start menu, alternative to the Windows key. For file and folder management, you can use Control C to copy, Control X to cut, Control V to paste, and Control Z to undo an action and Control Y to redo an action. You can also use Control A to select all items in a document or window. For window management, you can use Windows plus D to show desktop, Windows plus E to open File Explorer, Windows plus L to lock your PC and go to the lock screen. Now for taskbar shortcuts, you can use Windows plus any number to open the app pinned to the taskbar in the position indicated by the number. You can use Shift plus click on a taskbar app to open a new instance of the app, and you can use Control plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager directly. For system and accessibility, you can use Windows plus I to open settings, Windows plus pause to open system properties, Windows plus Control plus Enter to open narrator, which is a Windows accessibility feature. This wraps up our tutorial for today. We showed you around some keyboard shortcuts that can make your efficiency better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.